Hi guys, this is your host Usman Asir Khan for Network Plus. In Let's start with the syllabus. What is the syllabus? In it, we are going to study network fundamentals, the OSI model, TCP/IP fundamentals, and then TCP/IP utilities, network operating systems, wired and wireless networks, wide area network and remote access technologies, network access and security, fault tolerance and disaster recovery, network troubleshooting, and so on, and then glossary. I will be providing you with the glossary on internet if you leave your email address. So, our today's topic is network fundamentals. In network fundamentals, there are many subtopics such as network elements, physical topologies, physical media, common network connectivity devices. So in this tutorial, I am going to talk about network elements, which includes local area network, wide area network, host, workstation, server, peer-to-peer network versus client servers. By the end of this tutorial, you would be able to differentiate between a local area network, wide area network, a host, server, and a workstation. Now, you people might have heard the very common definition of a local area network, and that is a local area network is a group of computers connected together to share resources in a small area. Yeah, that's often true, but an organized definition of a local area network is that it is a group of computers and associated peripherals connected by a communication channel. It can be any channel, physical channel, connected by a communication channel that can share resources that can in a small area. There are two types of networks: local area network, wide area network, and I had mesh network, mesh topologies, that are other things. So local area network is in a small area when different workstations combine, when different network entities combine together to share resources, or associated peripherals are connected by a communication channel. What is a wide area network? Wide area network is a group of different local area networks connected with each other. You also might have heard that a wide area network is a group of two or you can say that when two or more local area networks are connected together over a huge geographical area, it is called a wide area network. But I don't agree with this statement, because it's not necessary that two LANs are connected in a huge geographical area. Let's suppose that I have created a local area network that consists of 3 workstations in a single room and another local area network in the same room, and I have connected those two local area networks together. Is there a huge geographical area? No. But as we already said, that wide area network is a network in which two or more local area networks are connected together. Now, in a single room, in the same room, I connected both the local area networks, which is now wide area network. So now let's go into the description of a local area network. The device that is needed for the communication is MAC address, and the main device that connects computer together and other network entities is a hub or a switch. Hub or a switch is a device that is necessary to establish a network, local area network. In order to communicate, in order that one computer wants to if one computer wants to communicate with another computer, the hub will ask for the MAC address. Or use in simple words, communication in local area network is done on the basis of MAC address. MAC address is a hexadecimal numbers and consists of 46 or 48 bits. It's basically a hexadecimal number. That's 10 is equals to A, 11 is equals to B, and so on till F. Now, in as we already talked that in local area network you need a hub or a switch, and of course workstations and servers, etc. And remember that in local area network communication is done on the basis of MAC address. And when we talk about wide area network, a wide area network is a group of local area networks connected together. In wide area network, the communication device is a router. A router is a device that connects local area networks. Or in our upcoming tutorials you will learn more about the network devices that in which is a router. Now, in wide area network communication is done on the basis of IP address, that is Internet Protocol address, and that's it. In wide area network communication is done on the basis of IP address. Now, when we talk about host, what is a host? Host is a central or controlling device in a network environment, providing resources that other computers can access, on other network entities can access. Any computer that provides resources that other computers can access over a network is called a host. When we talk about a workstation, what is a workstation? Basically, the term workstation normally refers to any computer that is connected to the network and used by an individual to do work. Workstation is a computer that is on the network but is not a server. So, workstation, when it is important to distinguish between workstations and clients. A client is any network entity that can request resources from the network. Remember, a client is any network entity that can request resources from the network. But a workstation is any computer that can request resources. Workstations can be clients, but not all clients are workstations. For example, a printer can request resources from the network, but it is a client, not a workstation. And so, now when we talk about servers, server is a computer that provides resources to the clients on the network. Servers are typically powerful computers that run the software that controls and maintains the network. This software is known as network operating system. Servers are often specialized for a single purpose. This is not to say that a single server can't do many jobs, but more often than not you will get a better performance if you dedicate a server to a single task, that are so called dedicated servers. Here are some examples of servers that are dedicated to a single task. Now, when we talk about different servers, servers are classified in many different types. There is a file server, a print server, a proxy server, application server, web server, and so on. What is a Now let's talk about peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, there is no centralized device. Simply, all computers are peers, or all workstations have same rights. They All computers have the same rights. They have no controlling device. And when we talk about client server architecture, device over all other computers. So I hope so that your concepts are now clear about basic network elements. In my next upcoming tutorial, I will talk about physical topologies. that will include bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, backbones and segments, and so on, and their advantages and disadvantages. Hope you like my this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice day.